Here's Scarlett up on the dishwasher. She decided to climb up there. Now I think she's trying to get down. Scarlett, what are you doing up there, baby? Why are you on the dishwasher? You're gonna fall off. You're gonna fall off. You do not need to be up there. Put that little leg down. Scoot back. Whoop. See? What were you doing up there? Why were you on the dishwasher? Why were you on the dishwasher? Huh? Nothing in there for you. There's clean dishes. Scarlett. That's it. Say bye. Yay, bye.